We already have made a solid by extruding. Here's an alternate way of making a solid. And I'm going to use the same drawing we did before and just rotate it, sort of like that, if you can do the same angle. And I'm going to copy and paste these lines here, and these two lines, and this line. Copy, paste, and drag it over. I'm going to add another line here to just finish off this. And we've used the surface tool before. Let's make some surfaces. So we click this line, this line, this line, and and one more line. That shows you you need one more line down the bottom. So we have to have a complete section that's closed. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. To the top. 1, 2. Ambiguity box. Line, line, 4. This side. Line, line. The other side. You copy and paste, but it's better to do it this way, and it has memory. If you copy and paste, then the new piece doesn't have the memory of the structure. And the back. This, when you're making an object which is not perfectly linear like we did in the first one, we extruded along a certain line, and the shapes are different. This is a good way of doing it. So again, we do line. There's 4 lines here. 2, 3, and 4. So now the piece is completely comprised of surfaces. So let's save this as surface. So we keep it separate from being a solid. What I like to do when I save something, so I say save as pre-stitch. It just tells me what stage I'm at, if I have to go back and rebuild it if I make a mistake. Go here and I do stitch to solid. Same thing here, I can just click Apple A, and I've gone from you can see over here, 1 stitch solid. The advantage of doing it this way is I can then, because we have associativity, I can change a shape. Whoa, doesn't like that. Let's go to top view. And just drag across along X. And I couldn't do that, make those changes, just by using, you can see the shape change there. Kind of interesting. So I couldn't do that just with using extrude. I can take this line here and draw it out a bit this way. Again, I'm going to get a different shape. So this is a nice way of doing it. And what it's good at, I should say, I want to add one thing here. So when you have a surface like that, the one thing I always like to do is to select all, Control A, and then go down here and change resolution. Because the default doesn't, for some reason, even in the most expensive one, does not let you have, as a default, precise and even distribution. So I'm going to cancel that, just see if I can see the effect on this side here, just to see if there is an effect. So you see maybe a little bit of that and a little bit of dysfunction there. So again, I select all, and I'll select all. Change resolution, and superfine, precise, even. Oh, it didn't change. We saw a few things there. This changed up here a little bit. So anyway, if you have non-linear, odd-shaped pieces, this is how you make it. It's a very interesting way of making something.